Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Now we will do the third part of the previous year question paper 22. Take a set BB. So let's start the third part of this video. Question number 25. A belongs to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. B is the set of 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. So what will be A intersection B? So to find the A intersection B means we have to just write the common elements present in A and B both. So it is your 2, 4 and 8 are the common elements only. The rest are the different ones. We will go with the option D. 25th answer is option D. Question number 26. Which one of the following terms will replace the question mark in the pattern given below? Okay, so we can just see Z, 26 and C. It became W, 23 and E. So Z became W. It means minus 3, 23, 26 to 23 minus 3 and C to E plus 2. ठीक है. Again it is minus 3. तो ये हो गया आपका T. Again minus 3. तो ये हो गया आपका 20 and there is plus 2. तो E to F G it is. It means we have just find the pattern minus 3 plus 2. तो here minus 3 यहाँ पर आपका n minus 3. तो n minus 3 हो जाएगा आपका K. 14 minus 3 हो जाएगा आपका 11 and K plus 2 हो जाएगा आपका M. Answer will be option C. 26th answer is option C. Okay. Come to question number 27. Plus stands for multiplication. Multiplication stands for division. Division stands for subtraction. Subtraction stands for plus. Then 5 plus 9 divide 18 multiply by 6 minus 25 equal to what? तो first change the expressions. देखो 5 plus आपका बता रहा है multiply. You can see here. तो 5 plus 9 minus 18 divide by 6 and plus 25. Now apply the BODMAS rule. 5 multiplied by 9 minus 6 3s are 18 plus 25. So now 5 9s are 45 minus 3 plus 25. When you simplify it, you will get 67. It is in the option number B. The 27th answer is option B. Question number 28. Look at the following family tree and choose the incorrect statement. ठीक है? This symbol is used for husband and wife. Okay, it is here. Straight line used for the parent, father or mother. Parents are put on the top. Top में parent होंगे, while the children are put at the bottom. Okay. Minus sign used for female, plus sign used for male. Okay. S is the daughter-in-law of P. This is S. S is female because it has minus sign. It is the daughter-in-law of P. Correct. U is the daughter-in-law of S. The U is female. It is the daughter-in-law of S. So yes, we can say because it is the wife of T and T is the son of S. Correct. T is the son of M. T, it is son. Okay, it is the son of M. No. M is the son of T. It is opposite. So 28th answer will be option C. Okay. Come to question number 29. Find the missing number. So first we have to find the pattern. So if you see here, you can find the pattern sum of the number multiply by product of the number. It means 3 plus 4 7 multiply by 12 equal to 84. It is written here like this. 5 plus 2 7 multiply by 5 multiply by 2 10, 7s are 70. The same process will be repeated here. 7 plus 9 16 multiply by multiply by 7 multiply by 9, that is your 63. So 63 multiply by 16, this is 1008. It is in the option number D. The 29th answer is option D. Question number 30. How many triangles are there in the following figure? Okay. So first count the triangle inside it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now this one is your 6. Okay. This 6. Now this one is your 7. This one 8. This one 9. This one 10. We have counted the internal triangles. 10 it is. Okay. 10. Then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We can say more than 19. 30 answer will be option D. Question number 31. I am twice as old as my sister Neha. After 7 years, my age will be 5 by 3 times of Neha's age. After 3 years, my age will be. So how can we start? First, let's consider Neha's age. So Neha's age is X. So definitely my age will be 2x right now at present. है ना? But after 7 years, Neha's age should be x plus 7 and my age should be 2x plus 7. But as per question, it is saying my age is 5 by 3 times of the Neha's age. Okay. So now simplify it. 3 to the 6x plus 21 equal to 5x plus 35. तो 6x minus 5x x हो गया आपका. 35 minus 21 ये हो जाएगा आपका 14. तो my age is 14 right now. But sorry, Neha's age is 14 right now. देखो it is here. So my age will be 14 2s are 28 years right now. But question is asking after 3 years. So that will be 28 plus 3, 31. It is in the option number D. So 31 answer is option D. Okay. Question number 32. Find the value of m minus n by using the following proportion. So to find the value of the m and n, it's better to reduce the fraction 1800 and 792. If you reduce the fraction, so you can just take the common factor. 9 ले लेते हैं हम. 9 2s are 200, 9 8s are और 9 8s are. Now 4 ले लेते हैं हम. 4 2s are 4 2s are 4 5s are 20. फिर से हम 2 ले लेते हैं. 1s are 1s are and 25s are. तो simplest form of this fraction is 25 by 11. And 25 by 11 can be equal to m by 495. ठीक है. 11 multiply by 45 equal to 495. So 25 multiplied by 45 will be m. So m equal to 1125. Again देखो 25 by 11 equal to हो रहा है आपका 750 by n. तो 25 multiply by 30 equal to 750. तो definitely 11 multiply by 30 will be n. तो n equal to हो गया 330. m minus n. m minus n, it means 1125 minus 330, you will get 795. It is in the option number B. So 32nd answer will be option B. Question number 33. Given 3 circles are concentric, common centers as O. ठीक है. If diameter RS equal to 84 centimeter, diameter PQ equal to half RS, AB equal to 1 by 4 RS, then find the area of the shaded portion. हमें shaded portion का area निकालना है. तो RS is the diameter of the biggest circle, that is 84. तो its radius OR will be 42. ठीक है. PQ is the diameter of the bigger circle, that is half of the RS. It should be 42. So OP radius should be 21. And for the smallest one, AB is the diameter of the smallest one. Its diameter should be 1 by 4 of RS, that is your 21. So radius will be OB 21 by 2. We need to find the area of the shaded part. So to find the area of the shaded part, in the first case, we can just find the bigger circle's area and remove this area. Means find the area of biggest and bigger circle and subtract both of them. Okay? So bigger, suppose this is the circle 1, this is the circle 2, this is smaller is the circle 3. So area of the shaded part will be C1 minus C2 प्लस C3. तो C1 हो जाएगा आपका 22 by 7 multiply by 42 multiply by 42 multiply by 42 minus 22 by 7 multiply by 21 multiply by 21. ठीक है. प्लस C3 हो गया आपका 22 by 7 multiply by 21 by 2 multiply by 21 by 2. If you simplify it, so you will get 5, 5, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 8, 6 plus 3, 4, 6.5. After simplifying, you will get 4504.5 centimeter square. It is in the option number, sorry, B, not, it should be C. Option C. 33rd answer is option C. Okay? Question number 34. The cost price of 16 pence is equal to the selling price of 12 pence. Find the profit earned on the selling pen at selling price of 32 rupees. So selling price of 1 pen is 32 rupees. So as selling price of 12 pen will be equal to 32 multiply by 12, that is your 384. And we know that it is the cost price of 16 pen. So 384. So we can just find the cost price of 1 pen. So 384 divided by 16, we will get 24 rupees. Profit will be equal to selling price, that is your 32, minus cost price, that is your 24, will be equal to 8. 8 rupees is the profit. Option B. 34th answer will be option B. Question number 35. Okay. Read the statement given below and then match the column A and column D. Statement. There are 5 numbers 1, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 2, 8, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 9, 8, 2, 5, 7. In each of the number, the thousands place digit and the tens place digit have been interchanged. The numbers so obtained have been arranged in order. तो पहले तो हम नंबर एक्सचेंज कर लेते हैं. After exchanging the number, first number will be 7612, 6435, then 5821, then 3279 and 5287. After arranging in the ascending order, it will be your 3279 less than 5287 less than 5821 less than 6435 less than 7612. Now let's read the question. The sum of the tens place digit of the highest number, second highest number, this is your 3, and the third highest number. So 3 plus 2, 5. So 1 will match with option C. The sum of the tens place digit of the highest number and the lowest number. तो highest का हो गया 1 और lowest का हो गया 7. तो 7 plus 1, 8. तो ये हो गया option 8. The tens place digit of the number which lies in the middle of the among all. So middle number is this one. Its tens place digit is 2. So now this definitely match with this one. So we can see 1C, 2A, 3B, 4D. It is in the option number C. 35th answer is option C. Okay. If you found this video informative or helpful, share this video with your friends also. Okay. And stay tuned for the next previous year question paper. I will upload here 3 previous year question paper in this playlist. Okay. So stay tuned for the next one. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.